Congratulations, you have just completed the Python Introduction program. In this program, you have gotten so much value. You have learned the syntax of Python and how you can code using Python programming. Now, let's go deeper into Python. Let us learn how Python programming works in general, how you can apply what you have learned, and the next step for you to take as a software developer. So, let's get started.
Firstly, what is Python? Python is a high-level general programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It has a large and active community, extensive libraries, and is widely used for various purposes including web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and more. Next, what is Python framework? Python framework are software frameworks built on top of the Python programming language. They provide a structured way to develop applications and facilitate the process by offering you reusable code, libraries, and tools for specific areas such as web development, graphical user interface, or artificial intelligence, and so much more. Here are some frameworks of Python and what they are used for. This is Bob. Bob just graduated from the university and he is very good at Python programming. And this is Mike. Mike just graduated from the university as well and he is also good at Python programming. But he has gone further to learn frameworks of Python such as PyTorch for artificial intelligence, Panda for data analysis, and Django for web development. Now, this is the Niger AI company, a global company dedicated to building software that uses artificial intelligence to make the lives of people easier and more efficient. Let us imagine you are the hiring manager for this company, and you need to hire a software developer to carry out the next project. Who would you hire between Bob and Mike? Obviously, you would hire Mike because Mike knows the framework of Python for what your company wants to build and not just Python alone. This is why it is very essential to learn the frameworks of Python if you want to secure jobs with top paying. In the next module of this program, you're going to learn and master two popular and highly in-demand frameworks of Python. You would learn Django, the framework of Python for web development, and you will also learn PyTorch, the framework of Python for artificial intelligence. You would also learn HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript for front end, Express.js and Node.js for back end, and MySQL for database management. With these skills, you are guaranteed to ace and excel at your next job interview. So, how can you join us? You can join us by simply following the link below. The enrollment fee into the next module is 43,000 Naira. But if you join us within the next 24 hours, you can enroll at just 10,000 Naira. Follow the link below to join us now. Time is running out.